Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control of playback. Click the gear icon and set quality to 1080p or 4K when possible, because YouTube auto-adjusts to protect playback. Once done, enable stats for nerds so you can see actual resolution and kilobits per second and watch bitrate. Make sure to plug into Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and temporarily stop other streaming devices, since shared bandwidth forces lower quality. Act now to prevent automatic downscaling. Next, you change persistent settings and resolve local software causes. Open YouTube playback settings and choose Always Prefer Highest Quality on this device so the player avoids aggressive downshift. Once done, clear your browser cache and disable any ad blockers or bandwidth managing extensions because they can block adaptive streams. Make sure you run a modern browser and update GPU drivers. Then test the same video in an incognito window to separate account-related throttling from client problems. These steps address the middle, complex causes. Finally, you complete the fix by optimizing the network. Restart your router, try wired connections, and switch to a reliable DNS such as Google or Cloudflare to reduce lookup delays. If speeds remain low, contact your ISP. Once done, on mobile, force quality in the app or add a player query parameter on desktop to lock resolution. If the video still auto-downscales, use stats for nerds to capture timestamps and bandwidth numbers so you can show clear evidence to your eye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.